working on a 3-tiered multifunctional catch-all tray out of black walnut. This is going to be a fun project and I can't wait to show you. It's going to hold anything I want, especially for my wife. She has her jewelry and she likes keeping it in these trays. So that's as deep as I went with the dish platter portion, but you could go as deep as you want. I came up with this acrylic template design. I'm using double-sided adhesive tape and I'm adhering it to the black walnut. And I'm taking my router using a 1/4 inch end mill bit and I'm just going approximately 3/4 of an inch deep. Like I said, that's all I needed to do on this portion. Then using a flush trim bit, I'm gonna go along the template and match it exactly. I make a bunch of large-scale furniture pieces, but lately I've really enjoyed these smaller projects. The profit margins are greater, they're funner to make, and you can bang them out so easily. I do a lot of shows and events at fairgrounds, and stocking up on little products like this is key. So I'm always coming up with new designs, and I love these acrylic templates. It's a lot of fun for me, so I have a blast with it. And if you're not having fun in your passion, what are you doing, right? But this is it. It's a multifunctional catch-all tray, 3-tiered. Now this is black walnut and white oak. And again, I came up with this design because my wife needed something similar to this. She does a lot of cooking in the house, and when she's watching recipes, probably TikTok recipes, and she needs a place to put her phone while she's cooking. So I came up with this little phone stand, but I wanted to make it fun for me, so I came up with this little bit of joinery, and I wanted to add a couple of species. Like I said before, black walnut and white oak, and using a 1/4 inch flush trim bit, I was able to dial it in accurately and easily. I clamped it down for about an hour, and it was completely cured and perfect and ready to go after that. So these pieces are kind of like puzzle pieces. Essentially, there's half dados, or cross-cut dados, however you want to look at it. But they go together real easily, and then there you have it. You have a phone stand and an acrylic template to go with it.